I just want to tell you one thing. I am, at my maternal aunt's house. This is why I guess I will not, make video while in which I will talk to in English for at least for 10 to 15 minutes. This is my challenge for myself, and this is why I am making this video to upload because of I will not miss any day to upload on YouTube. This is why I want to trace my journey, and this is why I am making this ki in future I will see ki this is why I will not miss that day. you know I have option to not make video and not practice in English. I have a choice, I have an option, because this is my big excuse ki I am not at my home. There is people around me, but I am also making this video because of myself. I am you know making myself motivated. So I am not practicing for others. I am practicing for myself, to improve myself, to gaining fluency myself. I want to communicate with people as early as possible. This is why I am pushing on the daily basis, and I actually I want to say you genuinely, I also communicate with my brother and with my senior today in English. And my senior was saying to me at that time when I speak with him, or we can say as I at that time I was speak with him speaking with him. At that time I was speaking with him. He was saying कि I don't get any point of view. I didn't get your message कि what you want to say, but I appreciate you कि you are makes effort to speak in English. This is why I also feel confident, because I give permission to myself to make mistakes, but I not give permission, but I don't give permission to myself to not speaking in English, to not putting efforts. You can hear the noise. Their maternal aunt and someone else is talking to each other, and I and they feel like I am rest on the bed, but I am just making video. Today, let's talk about what I did today. There is a matter listed for today. A 498 matter is listed for today at the Saket Court, and I went, I left from the house, we can say the home, at around 9 a.m. today, and with my brother, and he also, give along with me, not give along with me, go along with me to the Saket Court. And in Saket Court, after the matter, the judge was very slow, and he is, hearing each and every cases very carefully and give proper time to the clients and advocate to convey their whatever you know is running in their case. This is why it may takes around 12:30 to listed our case, and we can say our matter will be listed at 12:30 around, and the item number was 27. The item number was 27, and I submit in the court. Before the court, we can say that both party are agreed to quashing the FIR, and both party don't want to pursue the matter because the both party already had mutually agreed for separation, and the both party remarried again. you know they don't take any divorce before the court. They don't get any degree from the court of separation. they mutually agreed by the society, we can say panchayat, through this. And this is why the judge was saying to me ki, because I am for the complainant, and the another advocate was LAC, and he was giving advice to accused, okay, go to the high court and make a or submit the application to the legal aid to get a advocate to file the quashing petition in the high court to case the FIR in this matter, so that you both will be free in future. Otherwise you have to come to the you know court, and you will not come, you know you know कि your matter is running in the Saket court, and the accused was living in Mathura, and he has to come on the he has to come each and every date. If he miss any date, the NBW issued many times against him. This is why he also suffers, and the wife also married, and when it's time to date, he has to come to the date, and his family members from the husband side says ki, either you can live to our house, and either you can go to court cases. So this is also a do and die situation for her. कि if we go to the court, family dispute arises between the wife, and he she already had separated from you know this husband, and now the second marriage also in we can say in trouble. This is why she also want to quash the FIR as soon as possible, and the husband is from Mathura, came to the Sakit court today, and he was saying कि I am a what do we say in English, mazdoor, yes, labor. He works as labor in farms, or we can say fields, for daily wages, and he also a poor person. This is why he don't able to give the advocate fees. This is why the LSC was suggesting him to go to high court and take legal aid and submit the application, and you will get a advocate who will help you to quash the FIR. And I was just submitting to the court ki yes, there is no problem, I will file the, because of I'm a complainant, this is not my duty to file the quashing FIR. This is the duty of accused side. He has to he should have to he should file the quashing petition before the high court. But I submit to the court, before the court, ki I will file the quashing petition for both the party, and I will manage all the things. And the direction was given to me ki on time you should file the quashing petition in the high court, and on the next date you should have the order of the high court ki yes, this is the high court. This is you should not make excuses on behalf of this was the objection in my filing. This is can't be happen. So you should file the quashing petition in the high court on time, and I submit that okay, yes, I will do on time, don't worry about it, because of the complainant is related to my cousin. This is why I have to work on time on this file and on this matter, we can say. And now through this story I also completed my daily tasks, and then I came to the you know Simapuri to meet the client, and client was not at home, and he was saying on call. I went to his house to meet him, But at home, their daughter and his daughter and his wife meets and said कि he's not at home, and I call him and he was saying कि let's meet tomorrow, for discussion. This is why I am at the maternal. This is the near of my client, not a client. This is why I practice on the daily basis to make my tongue. Yes, this is not a client. Just I said client for the instead of client. This is why I now my tongue, my mind understand कि clown instead of client. So we should pronounce as client, not a clown. So I also completed the task and completed the challenge as I had took for my speaking journey, and I just share to you all. Yes, where I am at the maternal aunt house, and I am lying on the bed, and now I am on in my dress, and you can say I am on in my uniform. Till now it's 6 p.m. right now, and I am just about to put off my uniform, and I will take rest, and I will you know see the, I don't know, I will leave tomorrow evening around at 9 to 10 a.m. to meet the client, and then I will go to along with a bailiff to the client's house, and then I will go to the Karkatuma court today tomorrow. And there is two matter listed in the Karkatuma court for tomorrow. I have to take care of them, we can say, because of I have to appear before the judge. In those matter I have to represent those matter, and this is all about today, and there is no topic to talk to you. And I if you think with whom I communicated with, and I communicated with Mahavir. Mahavir is my cousin, and I communicated with him. I was just asking him कि are you practicing in English or not on the daily basis. He was saying कि yes, I am practicing, but not on the daily basis. When I get time, I communicate in English. I open the camera in front of the camera, or in front of the mirror, but usually we don't have time. This is why. And I was saying कि show me your phone and give me the screen time of your mobile, and the screen time was 5 hours a day, average 5 to 6 hours a day. I was said कि what is it, if you don't have time, your time 5 to 6 hours daily on the screen time, your screen time is 5 to 6 hours a day, and you are saying कि I don't have time to speak with yourself, and train your mind to think in English. Think nahi, think in English, because of it's my not, this is my second language. This is why I sometimes my tongue got slipped. So now this is bye.